Differences between ASP.NET MVC and ASP.NET Web API. While developing your web application, using MVC, many developers get confused when to use Web API, since MVC framework can also return JSON data too by using JSON return, and can also handle simple AJAX requests. ASP.NET Web API and ASP.NET MVC. ASP.NET MVC is used to create web applications that resembles both view and data, but ASP.NET Web API is used to create full-blown HTTP services with easy and simple way that returns only data, not view. Web API helps to build RESTful services over the .NET framework. It also supports content negotiations. It is about deciding the best response format data that could be acceptable by the client. It could be JSON, XML, Atom, or another formatted data self-hosting, which is not in MVC. Web API also takes care of returning data in particular format like JSON, XML, and or any other based upon the accept header in the request, and you don't worry about that. MVC only return data in JSON format using JSON result. In Web API, the request is mapped to the action based on HTTP webs, but in MVC it is mapped to action name. ASP.NET Web API is a new framework and the part of the core ASP.NET framework. The model building, filter routing, and the other MVC features exist in Web API are different from MVC and exist in the new system.web.http assembly. In MVC, these features exist within system.web.mvc. Hence, Web API can also be used with ASP.NET and as a standalone service layer. You can mix Web API and MVC controller in a single project to handle advanced AJAX requests, which may return data in JSON, XML, or any other format, and building a fully blown HTTP services. Typically, will be called as Web API self-hosting. When you have mixed MVC or Web API controller, you want to implement the authorization. Then you have to create two filters, one from MVC and another from Web API, since both are different. Moreover, Web API is a lightweight architecture and accept the web application. It can also be used with smartphone applications. For more visitors on our website www.siricreative.blogspot.com and click below to subscribe our channel to get daily updates. For more C# tutorials, click below, and for more AngularJS tutorials, click below playlist. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.